there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than your aunt's casserole at Thanksgiving. On my left, we have the TENSSENX GPS drone, and on my right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. Buckle up because this comparison is going to be epic. Let's dive right in with the cameras. TENSSENX is flaunting its 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. Reviewers rave about its crystal-clear image quality, making it perfect for capturing epic moments. Meanwhile, Techwonderz is rocking a 1080p HD dual camera with the front camera rotating 90 degrees. It's praised for its great image quality and ease of use, ideal for everyday fun and social media sharing. So if you're looking to film the next Hollywood blockbuster, go with TENSSENX. If you're more into capturing your cat knocking over your favorite mug, Techwonderz has got your back. Next up, flight time. TENSSENX comes with not one, but two modular batteries, giving you a whopping 46 minutes of flight. Reviewers find this convenient despite the shorter battery life per session. Techwonderz, on the other hand, boasts an upgraded battery that supports a flight time of up to 50 minutes. Reviewers appreciate its longer flight time, making it ideal for extended play. Longer flight time means more fun, so Techwonderz takes the cake on this one. But hey, 46 minutes isn't too shabby either. Now, let's talk brains. TENSSENX comes loaded with GPS auto return home, follow me, waypoint fly, point of interest, and even voice and gesture control. Reviewers love its intelligent features, although some find the auto return function a bit tricky. Techwonderz isn't slacking either. It's got 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, FPV transmission, gesture photo and video, and follow me mode. Reviewers find it easy to use and value its features, especially for beginners. So if you're looking for a drone that's smarter than your average teenager, both of these are solid picks. But if you want that extra peace of mind with GPS auto return, TENSSENX might just edge out Techwonderz. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie or just generally clumsy. TENSSENX has headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and speed adjust. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly controls, making it great for beginners. Techwonderz also keeps it simple with one-key takeoff, landing, emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Plus, it's got fast and slow gears, so you can go from zero to hero in no time. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and suitability for children. Both drones make flying a breeze. But if you're looking for a bit more hand-holding, TENSSENX might be your guy. Overall, both drones have received positive feedback from users. TENSSENX is praised for its camera quality, intelligent features, and durability, though some users have noted issues with the auto-return function. Techwonderz is commended for its ease of use, longer flight time, and great value, making it a solid choice for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. If you're all about that high-res camera and intelligent flight features, the TENSSENX GPS drone is your go-to. But if you want a longer flight time and a more budget-friendly option, Techwonderz is your match made in drone heaven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome comparisons. Drop a comment below on which drone you think wins the battle and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buy smart.